This is a massive 30,000 milliamps battery bank from Baseus. It can do 65 watts of power output. I drained my laptop to 9%, and let's see what it's capable of and verify its output. I'll plug in the Type-C cable to the MacBook Pro. Here you can see the percentage at 63%. One press, that gives me the voltage at 20 volts. Another press, it goes to the amperage. This is an ideal solution if you travel a lot with a modern laptop that supports power delivery. It also features 4 USB Type-A, three ways to charge this power bank via the Type-C cable, Lightning port, and micro USB port. And now my laptop is at 11%. We started at 9%. 62%, 20 volts, 2.4 amps. That is 50 watts, over 50 watts of charging power to my laptop. According to the spec, it will output 65 watts, but my MacBook cannot take that. The same Type-C cable can also be used for recharging this battery bank. Let's test that by using the Baseus 100 watts charging adapter. The voltage will be displayed here. It's 64 watts. That's really quick for a battery of its size. By using a really powerful charger like this, you really need to get something like this to take full advantage of this battery bank. 60%, 19 volts, 2.9 amps. Even though it supports 3 ways to recharge by connecting additional lightning cable, does not increase the overall input. It's still gonna be maxed out at 64 watts. Having 3 ways to recharge is awesome. Let's say if you don't have a USB Type-C cable or power delivery cable from Type-C to Type-C, you can still use the lightning cable to charge this battery bank, but slower at around 12 watts. This is a USB Type-A to lightning cable. It is also possible to use a micro USB cable to charge this battery bank. Let's test if pass-through charging is possible by connecting the Type-C cable again to the laptop. Yeah, charging starts and recharging stopped. However, pass-through charging is possible if you use the Type-A port. This is my iPhone 13, 79% charged, and the battery bank is getting recharged. And I also noticed a drop in the charging power. It dropped from 64 watts to 48 watts when it's doing the pass-through charging. It may generate more heat this way. I wouldn't recommend it, but it is certainly doable. This is the most powerful pocket-sized battery bank that I ever used that supports 65 watts of super fast charging and recharging. If you travel a lot with a modern laptop that supports power delivery, recharging, this is definitely the thing to get. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful. See you guys next time.